Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser two-wheel drive. Very unique vehicle here, excellent vehicle. It's very long lasting, shares the engine with the 4Runner and the Tacoma, so you know it's a 500,000-mile motor minimum. And this one's a beauty, comes with a lot of added extras. Comes with the 20-inch BBS wheels from Toyota, leather interior, factory navigation system, rear backup camera, the roof rack with the two-tone white roof, and just an absolutely awesome retro vehicle here. So they styled this one around the same time period as the Chevrolet SSR truck. So you had that bubbly 50s retro styling coming into, you know, kind of like a Land Cruiser 4Runner kind of body, you know, to create one unique vehicle. So like I said, 4.0 V6, excellent motor. You have no problems with that engine, no problems with the tranny. I mean, there's nothing to worry about with this vehicle. Just buy, drive, and enjoy. Now, we do have that center cap coming for this wheel. It has new tires all the way around. It has four-wheel disc brakes. Very unique interior. As you can see, this has paint color matching door panels there, even on the rear door here. So it's that glossy paint color match, so there's a metallic in it. Comes with power windows, locks, and mirrors. It also has a very unique dash, this two-tone black on silver, and then it also comes with the wheel lock, owner's manual, and remotes for the DVD players that are mounted in the back headrest. Now these aren't confirmed working. I don't have the DVD, so did try powering them on. It didn't get any response, so don't buy the vehicle based off of that, but they are equipped with it. But as you can see in the center stack there, it comes with a range level sensor, also has a active compass. So I mean, as you turn the vehicle, these two pieces here, they move with the vehicle, so it's really neat to see that in real time. Comes with ice cold AC, and like I said, touchscreen navigation, also rear backup camera, and then has a rear diff lock, subwoofer, park assist, auxiliary port, charging port, and then you can also up the voltage to the plug-ins. Automatic transmission. It does have keyless entry as well too, and plenty of storage space. Comes with the fold down armrests there for driver and passenger side, and full leather interior. Comes with the suicide doors, so as you can see, these doors kind of slant open but still easily accessible. And then it comes with the running boards on each side, the metal ones, so nice rugged, matching the top roof basket there. But very beautiful vehicle. You know, this side of the vehicle, no dings or dents. Some light scratching here, just on that corner and on the plastic there, but you know, nothing major. I mean, very common for 13 years old. Very unique subwoofer here. I mean, look at that subwoofer box assembly. I mean, that's all factory, so they just did a very unique job on this whole vehicle. Really just neat all the way around. Comes with spare tires, tools, and jack. Also has this glass with its hatch struts here, so the glass you can open from the outside. And then it also comes with the factory spare, not the 20-inch BBS, but factory spare. And then down below has towing capacity, and then there's your rear backup camera, mounted at lower for anybody that's looking to crawl or go off-road with the vehicle. But as you can see, these nice big fender flares that run into these nice big mud guards on the back. So it gives this vehicle a nice, large, rugged presence, which is very nice. And as you can see with the driver's seat, absolutely beautiful. I mean, for the years and the mileage, it's absolutely near perfect condition. And then they kept the same kind of design patterns throughout. This real edgy retro style industrial look was really nice. Nice big door handles. I mean, when you grab onto that door handle, it's one of the largest ones I've ever felt on a vehicle, but it's very nice. And then it comes with the power windows and locks. As you can see, the buttons share a lot of similarities with the Corolla and Camry, so same parts bin, different styling. So you see the interior illumination here has daytime running lights, standard halogen headlights, multifunction steering wheel for cruise control and stereo controls, and then it also has interval front and rear wipers. So let's fire up the vehicle here. Very nice. 2 previous owners, no accidents, auto check certified, 184,000 original miles. Even has an additional glove box compartment up here, which is really nice. It's a neat feature. It's not on the other side because that's where our airbag is. But as you can see here, hit agree, and then we have our navigation system come up, and then can see we activate the rear backup camera. We are mounted so low that it's interesting when you first look at it, because you're not expecting it to be that low. Oh, the radio sounds excellent, and the AC is ice cold freezing actually. And then as you can see, there's just a little bit of tip in that angle sensor because we are on a little bit of an angle there, and then as you see, pointing due north, so very cool. So the gauges include battery voltage monitor, coolant temperature, and fuel, and then you also have all your ranges for parked all the way down to low. Oh, and then let's get a rev in there for you. Very nice. So a nice beautiful rev, idles smoothly, and then if you do take notice, these lights do actually work. So with the headlights on, those are working lights. So just again, very unique vehicle. Come down and see us. This FJ Cruiser will not last long. It is in absolute stunning condition. So you can find this beautiful 2007 FJ exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.